Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came back to you with another trick of merging multiple worksheets into one master worksheet. Let's talk about the data. This workbook contains 12 months of data. Each worksheet contains its own month data respectively. But there is a disparity in amount of rows. April sheet contains 25 rows of data and May sheet contains 18 rows of data. Like that, there is difference in amount of rows. Now we are going to merge this data into one master worksheet. To do so, let's start with the vstack function is equal to vstack. It is asking us to give the parameter array. As the array, I am going to pass this January data, closing parenthesis, enter. This vstack function invoking only the data of January sheet, but actually we need the data of Jan to December. So that's why I'll put colon after the Jan keyword and I'll write the last sheet name DEC. Okay, just press enter. We got the data from January to till December. You can see some places there are zeros. That means we have given the sheet range A2 to F20. As we talked earlier, there is disparity in amount of rows. Okay, to overcome that issue, instead of putting 20, I'm going to put 100. Enter. You can see there are a lot of zeros. To overcome this issue, I'm going to wrap up entire this vstack function using filter function. Okay, before I go with the filter function, I want to have a word with you. If you are not familiar with the filter function, already I have prepared a video for you. You can get the link top right corner. All right, let's start with the filter function. Before we start with the function, just copy the formula text of vstack function, copy, filter. For the array parameter, we have used vstack function and comma. For the include parameter, I'm going to paste the formula. For this array, I'll give the criteria as not equal to empty string. Double quotes means empty string. Okay, comma. For the last parameter, if empty, I'm going to put empty string and close parenthesis, just press enter. Okay, we got the error. Just change this. Instead of putting F column, just mention the A column itself. Okay, just press enter. Our data is merged and there are no zeros. Like the same way, we can combine multiple sheets of data into one master worksheet using filter with vstack function. If you like the video, please comment, share, subscribe and share with the others. Thanks for watching.